Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many Ubuntu users have been facing recently with Firefox. Imagine trying to access files in the tmp directory using file tmp xxx links, only to find that they are suddenly showing up as unavailable. Quite the frustrating problem, isn't it? But fear not, we'll get to the bottom of this. In comes the solution. The culprit here is the switch of Firefox from a traditional package to a snap package. This means that Firefox now operates within its own container, complete with its own virtualized file system. To get things back to normal, we need to install Firefox through alternative methods, such as using the mozilla.deb packages from their PPA repository, or extracting the Mozilla-provided .tar.gz into a suitable directory. Make this adjustment, and you'll be back in business in no time. So to sum it all up, if you've been scratching your head wondering why Firefox on Ubuntu has been acting up when it comes to accessing file tmp xxx links, it's all due to the transition to a snap package. By opting for a traditional installation method like the mozilla.deb packages, or extracting the .tar.gz, you can restore functionality and get back to smoothly opening those files. Well, that's all for today's video, folks. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy browsing.